Headed down to Texas, you know the vibe. With my wrenches and sockets, I'm ready to dive. From the west coast to the eastern shores, every car I touch, yeah, it just restores. I'm chasing dreams, but fixing rides too. Everywhere I go, they know what I do. Rolling down a DFW, fixing up that Benz, got work to do. Rolling down a DFW, no matter where I go, putting in the time, making it new. Got my tools, my ride, I'm on the move. From coast to coast, ain't nothing to prove. In the heart of Texas, where the skyline's blue, got my gloves and lifts, making everything new. From sun up to sundown, no resting here. Every mile marked by memories clear. Whispers of engines in the Dallas breeze. These hands transform with a master's ease. Broken down in the heat of day, underneath that sky so far from gray. Sweat drips from my brow, but I don't mind. Each task a puzzle piece, one bolt at a time. Rolling down the DFW, fixing up that Benz, got work to do. Every city lights up when I roll through. A craftsman's touch, precision so true. Fixing that GL 450, I know the drill. Air shocks replaced, got that Benz on the hill. With my passion and skill, I'm paving my way. From DFW to wherever I stay. Passing through those gates, the journey starts again. DFW calls like an old trusted friend. With the hum of engines, life's on the mend. Suspension low, but we'll make it ascend. Rolling down the DFW, fixing up that Benz, got work to do.